Hey, what's up guys, it's Laashak again in a new video. Today we are going to talk about a special cable. So this is a dongle again that we didn't talk about in the past. So here we have it, and if you're new to the channel, and well, welcome to Laashaktech. Here we talk and unbox and review about tech. So what is this? Let's get directly into the video. Alright, so this is audio jack where you have one side in which you can connect to a special type of USB. So there are special headphones which you can connect through, and since they can't connect directly to your, since they're special type of headphones which don't have USB nor a 3.5mm jack, they can't connect to your laptop directly. So you need this piece of dongle which you use to connect well, to your laptop or PC or whatever device you want to use the headphones with. Alright, so that's basically the functionality of this one, and well, it was a really short video as planned, and that's gotta be it for today's video. Just before I leave, I wanted to mention that this is not a sponsored video and I got the cable by myself. So thanks for watching, catch you in the next one. See ya.